gearheads, and welcome back to Car Trend. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated comebacks in the world of trucks, the Ford F100 4x4 2026. This isn't just a revival of a name, it's the rebirth of a legend that helped define the pickup segment. For decades, the F100 represented toughness, durability, and American craftsmanship, and now Ford has brought it back with a modern twist that blends classic charm with futuristic innovation. The result is a truck that pays tribute to its roots while confidently leading the way into the future. From the outside, the 2026 F100 4x4 has that unmistakable retro-inspired design that instantly connects it to its heritage. The squared-off body lines, bold stance, and iconic grille pay homage to the original, while modern updates like LED matrix headlights, aerodynamic contours, and an aggressive lifted frame make it feel like a truck born for today's world. Rugged wheel arches, 20-inch all-terrain tires, and a muscular build give it presence both on the road and off it. The 2026 F100 is designed to look timeless, a perfect balance of old-school muscle and modern sophistication. Step inside and you'll be blown away by the way Ford has fused functionality with comfort. The cabin feels premium yet practical, offering everything a driver needs to feel in control while enjoying the ride. Plush leather seats, a wide panoramic display, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system create a tech-filled atmosphere. Yet the design retains hints of classic pickup DNA with durable materials and a layout that feels solid and purposeful. You'll find wireless charging, AI-powered navigation, smart connectivity, and advanced driver assistance systems that make every trip safer and more enjoyable. It's a cockpit that respects tradition but lives firmly in the future. Under the hood, the F100 4x4 2026 delivers versatility for every kind of driver. Ford has equipped this beast with multiple options, including a powerful V8, a hybrid setup for efficiency, and even a fully electric variant for those ready to embrace the future of performance. The advanced 4x4 system now comes with adaptive terrain modes, allowing drivers to tackle mud, sand, snow, or rocky trails with confidence. Built Ford Tough isn't just a slogan here, it's a promise backed by serious torque, towing strength, and durability that ensures this truck can handle both heavy work and wild adventures. What makes the F100 4x4 2026 truly special is how it blends heritage with progress. It's not just a truck for nostalgia's sake, it's a reminder that legends can evolve. For longtime Ford fans, it's a dream come true to see the F100 back on the road, and for new buyers, it's a bold statement of style, power, and versatility. This truck proves that history doesn't have to stay in the past. It can be reborn, refined, and made even better for the modern era. So what do you think? Does the Ford F100 4x4 2026 have what it takes to shake up the pickup segment all over again? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's start the discussion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Trend for more deep dives into legendary rides, futuristic concepts, and automotive icons reborn. The F100 is back, and it's stronger, smarter, and bolder than ever before.